Hey everybody, it's Mark here from ESM. We're very excited to present the new Elos scan body, the SB22. It's a bit of a revolution when it comes to scan bodies, and a lot of you have already seen it or are eagerly awaiting to receive your first shipment. So there is the scan body, and there's a couple of unique features about it. One, the most unique feature about it, I guess, or the most important feature for us, is the fact that it's now single piece. It's no longer a titanium core with a peak sleeve on top. It's one piece titanium. But the other really cool feature about it, and perhaps even more important, is the coating that's on this. So it's a special heat treatment process that's used to generate this coating. And what it means is it's extremely precise, but it's extremely scannable. So I want to introduce a word. It's called precision metrology. So I'm an engineer. I love all this type of stuff. This device is going to be used in an implant with a scan, and the whole objective here is to get the most precise result out at the other end. This is key, and taking really good care of this is really, really important. So Elos have put lots of R&D and development and testing into making this as accurate as it possibly can be. We got some really good feedback from beta testing in terms of its scannability. It outperforms everything out there. In terms of radio opacity, it's there. We can see this very, very clearly on an X-ray. So it's a fabulous device, but it is extremely sensitive. So what we and delicate. So it's okay for day-to-day clinical handling, but we really need to be careful about it with it. So a couple of key things. Number one, when we're inserting the scan body, we make sure that we only tighten it to finger tighten. It's 5 Newton centimeters. It's the scan body, it just needs to sit in place and be held in place. We don't need to torque it up like we would with an implant restoration. So number one, we want to hand tighten it. Number two, when it comes to cleaning it, it's a very specific cleaning process. We're going to sterilize it through a washer disinfector, whatever. This is all kind of listed out in the IFU, and that's fine. We'll autoclave it, that's fine. We will not use an ultrasonic. If we use an ultrasonic, what's going to happen is that this at a very high frequency is going to be bouncing around inside a metal device, and that surface is going to start chipping away. And if it starts chipping away, well then it's not going to be of much use to us. We will lose its precision, okay? It's a precision device. So in addition to a new scan body, we have a new driver, okay? So the previous Elos driver is this one here, which we've all come to love, and it's great and it's fit for purpose, and it has served us all really, really well. But if we compare it to the new scan body driver, there's a couple of key things that we'll notice. So aesthetically, we'll notice that this looks like a scan body. Okay, so straight away you're looking through your drawer of drivers, you'll see a scan body driver. If something looks like a scan body, it's a scan body driver. Brilliant. So we got the right driver in our hand straight away. We've got a nice little hole running through there. And that little hole is for putting some floss through. So we can put some floss through, so if it is dropped in the mouth, we can retrieve it very, very easily. So now looking at some of the more kind of technical sides of things as well. The first thing, the most obvious thing, is that it's a lot slimmer in terms of diameter. And one of the reasons for that is that because this is now a smaller diameter, it can get into narrow gaps. So if we've got a deeply placed implant and we don't have much space, we can use this driver a lot easier. Also, because it's thinner, we can't get a really heavy grip on it. So to finger tighten it or to over tighten it, it's going to become really, really difficult. We don't want to over tighten it. That's all good, right? So we don't want to put a tool on it. We just want to finger tighten it, and that's going to be great. And the other really nice thing about it is it's very difficult. It's impossible to see here on my iPhone, but the tip where the driver engages with the screw head has been re-engineered to some degree, and in terms of hardness and so on, but it's more durable. Okay, so the chance of us stripping this in a screw head is going to be a lot less. Okay, so again, finger tighten. Okay, so we got the scan body, we've got the driver goes in, finger tighten it in, and the result of that, if we finger tighten when it goes in, it means when we unscrew it, take the driver out, this should be able to come out nice and cleanly. We do not want to put any tools onto this. We do not want to over tighten it, and then we need to put pliers on it. Guess what's going to happen if we put pliers on? We're going to rip off some of that some of that coating. So again, the key points are, this is a really precise measuring device. It might not look like it, but it is. It's key to your accurate digital process. Take really good care of it, and it will take good care of you. If we end up over tightening it, we could end up stripping some of the coating off, and make sure under any circumstances, no tools and no ultrasonic. Okay, hope that helps. Enjoy using this fabulous new product, and we look forward to hearing about the great results that you have. Have a great day.